Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tutorials, and today I'm going to be giving you the last level update for this channel as we talk a little bit about, well, why this channel has been so quiet, but also what the future of this channel looks like, and as well what happened to Level Up Tutorials. Now, Level Up Tutorials, as you know, started off as a YouTube channel where we were doing about 300 video tutorials a year on here, teaching all kinds of things from WordPress to Drupal, Meteor, CSS topics. And that was going really well until it had to support my day-to-day life, in which we had to convert Level Up Tutorials into being more of a subscription-based premium tutorial offering you can see at levelup.video, where we then were releasing about 24 videos a month under a subscription cost. And that is what I was doing up until very recently. And you can actually access all of Level Up tutorials for free, including all of the premium stuff at levelup.video right now. So what has changed? Well, in 2017, I started the Syntax podcast with Wes Bos. And after 600 episodes or so, Wes and I, along with Level Up Tutorials, joined Sentry.io. Sentry is an awesome error and exception handling tool. It's a tool that we used on Level Up long before they were ever a sponsor of the Syntax podcast. It's a product and service I really believed in for a long time and was a big fan of. So when they approached Syntax to join Sentry in terms of just being able to do what we were already doing with Syntax, but in a bigger way, part of that plan was to bring in Level Up Tutorials into that mix. And what that means is that you'll see a couple of things happen. One, we're going to be using this channel as the official Syntax podcast channel, where all of our previous content will remain up. However, we're going to be doing video podcast episodes, of which you'll start to see some sneak peeks of that this week, where we'll be doing some of our best episodes of the past few weeks before actually transitioning into a full-time video podcast, in addition to the other video stuff. Now, we're also going to be doing new video series with some really exciting content, of which you might even see creators that aren't Wes and I here. And in addition, I'm also going to be doing tutorial series just like we did in the past. And all of this comes on YouTube, where we will not be putting ads in front of any of the videos, meaning we're not going to be monetizing this channel on YouTube, so therefore you don't have to be annoyed with ad blocker pop-ups or ads before each of these videos. It's all going to be free thanks to Sentry. And of course, since Syntax is part of Sentry, we will be talking about Sentry, but we're not going to beat you over the head with it. So that's what we've been doing. So you're going to be seeing new content, video podcast, tutorials, all kinds of things that you've come to expect from this channel, in addition to new formats, all without ads and at a higher quality level. As for Level Up Tutorials, I thank you so much for being a subscriber for so long as we transition into being Syntax. And if you've never heard Syntax because you're not into podcasts, then I think you're really going to like the video podcast that gets published on this channel, in addition to the other stuff that's coming really soon. And that marks the end of Level Up Tutorials as it has existed up till this point. You'll be seeing a lot more of us on YouTube than you have over the past few years, and we're really looking forward to what we can bring to YouTube. So thank you so much for being a longtime supporter, or even just a supporter at all of Level Up Tutorials. I appreciate you so much. It has been a truly awesome thing. And again, every piece of content that we've ever released on Level Up Tutorials is now available for free at levelup.video. And we're going to be publishing some of the best of Level Up Tutorials content on the syntax.fm site as well. If you've never listened to the podcast and want to give it a try, we have 720 episodes available on syntax.fm if you want to see what we're all about. It's teaching and training web development, what we've always been about. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.